Okay, today we are talking about Java, Next, and NextLine. So right here for the second part, we have NextLine. And when I just run the program and I say today's weather is sunny, it says go out. Let's play one more time and I say the weather is sunny and nice. It says stay home because it did not recognize the vocabulary as sunny and nice. Since the vocabulary is sunny, just if you add sunny and nice. So now let's run it. How's the weather? Is sunny and nice. It says go out. But let's change it to the previous version, which was just sunny, and I want to just remove the line. And when you run the program and you say the weather is going to be sunny and it says go out. Let's run it one more time and say it sunny and nice. It still says go out because it recognizes only the first vocabulary, which was the sunny. However, if we just place right here sunny and nice and we run it right now, how is the weather? Is sunny and nice. When you run it, it says stay home. The reason it doesn't say go out, even though the vocabulary is matching sunny and nice, the reason is just next is not going to recognize the other two vocabularies, which are not and nice. So those two vocabularies are not recognized by next. So you have to place right there line, and when you run the program one more time, how is the weather? You say sunny and nice, so it says go out. That's the difference.